Support your local cafe dealer and other dealers also.
What does mool mean?
Yeah.
Fancy. I love the smell.
It's like an inception with us. We've got this beautiful filter kapi tiramisu, which we're so excited to have. Yeah. Ooh, looks good. Ooh, look at those layers. Keep an eye out for the Swiggy 10 card when you go to Mool. You might just get a 20% off. Yeah, that's a good one. So we couldn't take this and take away. So we decided we just have to sit and eat this because we've heard a lot about this. There you go. That's a good one. Done. हम तो झोला उठा के चले. Ahilya, what did you get?
I got a Vietnamese kapi.
And I've got a filter kapi. We've got our sandwiches and our puffs ready to eat. We're so excited. Let's do this. Let's go. You're in the car with the Kabis! Next to Horniman Circle, guys.
Which is fully empty today. We feel like there's some Naka Bandi or some
Something.
Maharashtra Band or something.
Yeah, I feel like there's some Bombay holiday which we haven't been told about.
And we ventured out. And guys, we are totally doing this because of you guys out there. Because Riya is sick right now.
Sick. I don't know if y'all can tell through
She
my
sounds
voice.
like a man right now.
I really do, honestly. Hopefully, you're like a hot bad, but still, guys, I think I'm just going through it in life right now. I was telling Ahilya
Yeah,
also.
same.
I feel like I'm just drained and I've got a cold. But like we love Kabi so much, we love y'all so much.
For this
so
episode,
we're showing up for this
because we want you guys to eat the best of the best food in the city. So we're doing this for you.
Yeah, it's truly just public service at this point, Kabis. And today we're super excited because we're trying a place that honestly we've heard mixed reviews about, me and Ahilya.
But we had to try it out
we had to try it ourselves because I think that's both me and Ahilya. We truly believe that while we do trust a lot of people in the city, I feel like it's not the same until you try something.
That's
and
true.
I truly believe everyone should do that for any restaurant or
Amen.
any place. Like go and try it out yourself. So
Damn
fun
exciting
fact,
thing.
we already did a little taste testing in the restaurant already. So today we're at Mool. We'll show you some BTS from
It's
the place.
called Mool Kapi Bar and it's a restaurant on the bottom floor and the dessert and coffee bar on the top.
Yeah. So we went to the dessert and kapi bar today, and out there we already had this amazing kapi tiramisu, which was lovely.
I think it was one of the best.
It was really good.
It was different and because the mascarpone was thick.
It was really thick and nice. The kapi flavor really came through.
Oof.
They have very strong kapi. In fact, we'll start off with the kapis that we got.
It was insane.
So, yep. I got a traditional filter kapi since I'm not well, and Ahilya got.
I am boiling in this heat outside the car. So I got the Vietnamese kapi, which is basically your iced coffee brew with like condensed milk, and it's super nice.
Okay.
But it's a bit strong for my taste. But I think for people who are diehard coffee fans, they'd love the Mool Kapi. And it's, yeah.
So taste test time. Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's see. Really good kapi.
It's very good quality coffee.
Yeah.
But I just feel like I'm more of a chai person than a coffee person. But I feel like I could do this like one day in the week, you know?
Yeah, but
Chill.
honestly, good kapi. Like, and I just put one sachet of like brown sugar in it because I like it a little sweeter.
Same.
So it is a strong kapi, I would say, but
Yeah.
it's good kapi, like for sure. Like if you're in the vicinity and you want something strong, don't go to
100%.
Starbucks. Go to like Moon.
Starbucks is overrated.
I hate Starbucks, to be honest.
You know when people
Controversial opinion. Like, and I think it's actually not that controversial because most people would agree with us.
I think
that
Bombay
Starbucks-
has so much better coffee to offer.
That's
But
true.
everyone lands up at Starbucks only because it's open till 1:30 and you have nowhere
And I
else
also
to
feel
go on
like-
a drive.
But also Starbucks is like a place where you can work really easily. Like a lot of good coffee places in Bombay are more
There's
like
too many children there.
fun cafes.
Dude, I've noticed in Starbucks there's kids at 12:30. I'm like, my mom would put me into bed by now if I was 5 years old.
Really? But,
Yeah.
I mean, you mean like young
Yeah.
kids, like how we used to go chill at like
5-year-olds.
coffee bean. Oh, what?
5-year-olds.
Okay, I'm shocked.
There's no bedtime or what?
What's happening? Take care of your kids.
Leash them, kids.
Oh my god, can we talk about kids on leashes? I think that is the weirdest thing ever.
when I went to Disneyland in 2008, I mean I was 13 and I
Yeah.
was seeing all these Firangi kids with like leashes on them. The parents holding it
So
like dogs,
weird.
and I was like, "What
So
is this?"
weird.
I felt secondhand embarrassment looking at children with leashes on them, like collars,
Yeah.
like
Like, bro, you don't believe that you can control your kid. Like, you
In-
need to tame them with a fucking leash.
Indian parents just give you the look, and that's control.
Yeah. Indian parents are just like, hey, I told you now once, and that's it. You
I'm
just have
counting
to.
till 3.
Yeah.
1, 2,
Yeah.
and slap.
And slap. That's true. But how can she slap? Do you know what that means? Oh my
Bro.
god. I see that so often.
I send it as gifs and memes to people.
But okay, guys, I think we should settle this now. We deserve to slap her as well.
Okay.
She was a bit. How the fuck can you? How can she slap? I agree. Like, he was right out there. What gives her the right just because she's a game host to like slap the
She
contestant?
was giving very dominating vibes.
Bro, I think like in the bedroom and all, if you like all that kind of stuff, it's fine.
then she
but-
can slap.
But like on TV, that was not cool. But how can she slap, bro? Like
That was, I think, a cult moment.
a cult moment.
Like for our generation.
What was it on Bindas TV?
Why do you know this?
What? You also know it.
Judged. No, I just know it from the memes, okay?
Lies.
I've seen the
She's
video.
seen it. She's seen it.
And then
Comment below if you think Ahilya secretly watched Bindas.
I watched it for some sus things, okay? So we got carried away.
Yeah, we got a little carried away.
I think we're too charged on the sugar high from the coffee.
Okay, so guys, we both got a puff that we wanted to try. So Ahilya, you want to talk about yours?
I have got the chicken puff, which is chicken ghee roast, guys.
Yum.
Check it out. I mean, I will open it and show it to you all also.
And I have got a paneer makhani puff, guys.
Check it out, check it out.
I think we both were just feeling the fusion today, you know, like the
Oh,
days
it looks
when
very
you just...
similar, bro.
Yeah, it looks really, it looks like they've just taken the same gravy. Time to taste test, yeah. They've given us this dip also. Got this
Super.
white one and you've got a
I've got this yellowy dip.
yellowy dip. Yellowy dip.
It's like some achari type dip, guys.
And mine is like a little mayo, like, which I'm gonna like, because the thing doesn't fit, unfortunately. I want to be a bit bougie about it.
Bougie.
Fancy, schmancy.
Can you all see this luxury?
Okay. Mm.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Mm. That's a good puff.
Damn good.
Mm.
Very smoky, meaty.
Mm. What happened?
I got a bone.
Ew.
Mm.
She's got a bone to pick with them now.
I don't know why, but I get this ick when they say it's boneless. Let's keep it boneless, guys.
Yeah. But I have to say, guys, the puff is lovely. And oh my god,
It's puffing all over my car.
the flakes have just like disintegrated in her car. Puff is fab. The
Mm.
paneer makhani one that I've got, it's just what I wanted, like a fusion puff. It's exactly
Really
what
good.
they say you get. Really tasty.
I
I
like the
think
flavor.
Props
also.
on the flavor.
Well, how would you rate this?
I would give this a solid 8.5.
Yeah, minus the bone, I would give it
Yeah,
an 8.
I think minus
'Cause
the bone. Yeah,
I feel like I've had better,
yeah.
so then maybe this is an 8 for me.
But it's nice. It's a nice snack. Like
Yeah, like
if
I
you're
would
in the
compare,
area,
yeah.
with a nice, like we liked our coffee. So I think just a coffee and a puff.
Oh,
Nice
that's good.
snack.
Like a
It's a good
snack in
snack.
the middle of the day. You know, if you're casually walking around Horniman Circle on a Saturday and just like
Hmm.
whiling away your time, this is a great snack to come by.
Guys, we love this snack, honestly. And today we just felt like being a little basic and going for something that gives us comfort, which is a good old avocado toast.
Guys, this is the millennial snack of all time.
Yeah.
Shall we? Here
We
we go.
shall.
This is yours. Shows the
Thank
camera.
you. The bread we chose, guys, was a 5 grain. So super healthy.
We're trying to be. After eating
We're trying
all
to
that.
balance the carbs with the little greens, guys.
Check it out. Check it out.
Cheers.
Cheers. More salty than us both put together.
Very salty and even pepper, bro. So much.
Generous, as if they have a pepper mill in their hand.
Oh. That's bad.
It's I
It's
think
too
probably
salty.
the worst avocado toast I've had.
Dude, I mean, and it has the workings because it's got that good, like,
It's got
sun-dried
great
tomato.
sun-dried tomatoes. It's got
Pesto was nice. The avocado was fresh.
but the salt killed
The
it.
salt has just fucked it up, bro.
I would give it a 2 and call it a day.
Yeah, maybe like a 2, bro. It's horrible.
I've had way better. Sorry,
Yeah.
you did not make the cut.
Sorry, I think you had the bones, but you didn't make it. It's bad.
Okay.
That's it, huh?
Have we eaten everything? Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh, that's it. I think we're still a little hungry. We'll have to go somewhere else after that sad
Stay tuned.
avocado toast.
Stay tuned for the next episode, guys.
See you, bye. You do